Here we have a 100 mm round pipe male connector that will join any female part of the Kair System 100 range. It has a 99.5 mm male spigot that push fits into a 100 mm round ventilation pipe or flexible hose. The connector can be used to join multiple lengths of pipe together to form a long duct run. It can also be used with Kair female offset ducting adapters if connecting to the pipe or flexible ducting. Example: Kair rectangular 110 by 54 mm to 100 mm round offset ducting adapter. That allows you to convert between Kair System 100 mm round and Kair System 110 by 54 mm rectangular ducting. The round female side can be connected with a range of Kair System 100 mm male fittings. You would require a male connector if you are connecting to Kair 100 mm round female pipe or flexible hose. Another example: Kair rectangular 234 by 29 mm to 100 mm round offset ducting adapter. As in the previous example, if connecting to the pipe or flexible hose, you would require a male connector. Kair ducting is made in the United Kingdom and built to last out of high-quality white polystyrene, polypropylene plastic material and can be used at a maximum of +60 or at minimum -15 Celsius temperatures. Kair plastic ducting is lightweight, durable, and suitable for commercial and domestic use. It is perfectly suited for ducting your tumble dryer, bathroom or kitchen extractor fan, hydroponics, inline extract fans, or cooker hoods. It can be used as a part of a long ductwork run for a variety of purposes including whole house ventilation, passive stack vent, positive input, air conditioning, HVAC, and heat recovery systems. If you have any questions or require assistance with your ventilation and ducting, call now at 0208 463 9695.